What's up, guys? Back in another video. It's windy outside in Kentucky right now. If you don't know this, it's like really windy. This thing fell over. It's like, let me try. I can barely lift this up, and the wind managed. Okay, see ya. The wind managed to knock this down and stuff. If you're wondering if those are real snakes, don't worry, they're fake. Just I'm gonna probably have to blur those out because some people might have a phobia of snakes. So yeah. I forget what that phobia is called. I think it's called slitherophobia. No, that isn't what it's called. But some pieces got knocked off. Wait a sec, let me show you what did. I'm gonna pause to outside. Okay, it's really windy outside. There's Uncle leaving. Dang camera, it's blurry. Pieces of roof got knocked off my house. See, like these got knocked off. I wonder if more are gonna get knocked off. It's really windy outside. I don't know how this wind's strong, but I'm like, can stand it. And these plates are like throwing things off. There's even stuff back here that got destroyed. Here's my swing. Yeah. If you're wondering if the wind broke down that house, the wind didn't break that down. That is my uncle's and mom's playhouse, and it got destroyed. I think there's dog poop around here. I don't know. I smell something bad. I'm gonna step down and show you exactly what happened to this playhouse. Basically, there's just a whole bunch of junk around here. So yeah. I'm wondering if there's like any like coyotes out here, because I live out in the country and in the city sometimes. If you go around there, then you can see a city. This one's strong. It's like a hurricane or something. I'm just giving you a little tour. Right there, this is where, like, me and my papa much, but my papa, found a ran over rabbit. It was still alive. It died, so I have to bury it there. When I was 6 or 7, I buried the hole there because I was trying to do a little quick experiment. And, yeah, it died, so I had to bury it there. It's really windy outside. I'm gonna end the video. See ya.